Hi, this is Kun from ACNTRUCK. Now I'm in the Sanhe warehouse in Shanghai, and I'm going to take you to know a useful machine, XS13E. Let's go! This road roller from XCMG is a regional and adaptive product developed for overseas markets. It is widely used in compaction work of base layer, sub-base layer, and rock fill in roads, railways, airports, and industrial construction sites. The operating weight is 10,400 kilograms. It has big distributed mass of vibration drum and high compaction ability. Look at the engine. It's Cummins 4BTA 3.9. The rated power is 93 kW, ensuring good traction ability and high climbing ability. Sitting here, you can get a broadened sight and excellent driving experience. Customer may according to the requirement of construction, choosing smooth drum, padfoot drum, and padfoot shell. So as you can see, it is self-propelled, single drum, fully hydraulic, double drive vibratory roller, which is characterized by its high exciting force, reliability, and compaction efficiency. If you are interested, feel free to contact with me. That's all of the video today. See you next time. Bye.